In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links and buttons for your Squarespace page, whether you're setting up a website for your business, a personal blog, or an online portfolio. Adding buttons and links is essential. They guide your visitors and enhance the user experience. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, start by navigating to your Squarespace site. Once you're signed in, you'll be at the home dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the section titled General under your site title. This is where you'll find controls and options related to the layout and functionality of your site. Next, click on Website. This action will take you deeper into your site's configuration settings. Here's where you can start making the design customizations that really define your site. After you've clicked Website, you'll see an option to click Edit. When you're in edit mode, you're able to add new elements to your page. Look towards the upper section of your page where you'll find the Add Block button. Clicking on this lets you add various types of content blocks to your page, which is a great way to customize the layout. Now look for the option to add a button. This is crucial, as buttons are prominent and clickable, encouraging visitors to take action. Once you click on button, you'll be prompted to decide what you want the button to say and where it should link to. A common way to enhance user engagement is to use calls to action like Learn More, which you can select here. This encourages users to explore more of what you have to offer. Once you've set up your button text, directing it to an appropriate link, you'll want to decide on the design. You may notice a highlight option. This feature allows you to accentuate the button visually. It ensures the button is distinct and catches the eye, which can help guide users where you want them to go. Within the button setup, you can assign your button to direct to specific pages such as About if you want it to lead to an About page. Depending on the nature of your site, consider which pages are most important for users to navigate to from your home page. Throughout the process, you may see a repeated highlight option. Use this as needed to ensure consistency in your design aesthetic. Finally, once you are satisfied with the placement and styling of your links and buttons, the last step is crucial. Don't forget to save your changes. Click on Save to ensure all the hard work you've done is stored and is visible to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully added links and buttons to your Squarespace page. With these elements in place, your visitors will have a seamless and interactive experience guiding them to the most important pages on your site.